In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your contact list in Gmail. This is a simple yet essential skill to help you keep your communications organized and efficient. Whether you're connecting with family, friends, or colleagues, having a well-maintained contact list can save you time and headaches in the long run. So let's dive into these steps to ensure your Gmail contact list is up to date and easy to manage. First, open your Gmail account as you normally would. Once you're in, direct your attention to the right-hand side of the screen. Here you'll find a contact icon which usually looks like a little profile figure or a circle with a person inside it. Click on this icon to open your contact management panel. This icon is your gateway to accessing and managing your stored contacts. Now, to add a new contact, look for the Create Contact button. It should be prominently displayed within the Contacts panel. When you click on it, a form will appear, allowing you to enter details for a new contact. This is where you can start building your personal or professional network directly within Gmail. Begin by typing the first name and last name of the person you want to add. Names are fundamental identifiers, so make sure you enter them correctly to avoid any mix-ups later on. Remember, accuracy here can save you a lot of confusion down the road. Next, you'll want to add the email address for your new contact. Email addresses are usually unique to each person, making them an essential part of managing communications. While entering the email address, double check to ensure there are no typographical errors, as this will help prevent any missed or undeliverable correspondence. Additionally, you can include the person's phone number. Adding a phone number is a great way to ensure that you have alternative contact methods should you need to reach out quickly or invite someone to a chat or video call. Similar to email addresses, be meticulous with the numbers to avoid any mistakes. Once you've entered all this valuable information, you'll need to save your new contact. Look towards the top of this form and you should find a Save button. Click on Save and voila. Your new contact is now part of your Gmail list, ready to be accessed whenever you need to connect with them. Managing your contact list in Gmail doesn't have to be a complicated process. By following these straightforward steps, you can effortlessly add new contacts and ensure your list is always current. Keeping your contacts organized not only helps you reach out more efficiently, but also enhances your communication experience overall. With these tools at your disposal, you're well equipped to maintain a well-structured contact list that caters to your personal and professional needs. Thank you for watching, and happy emailing.